This is our next block of plum plants, feathered plum plants. This is the other block, as you will see. Let me show you on other side. These are the plants, and it's confirmed that these plants will come on fruit bearing from next year. Can see it easily, and these our plants will be available in Tamil Nadu, and for these plants you can contact in Tamil Nadu with Mr. Suresh. He is our distributor of these plants. You can see this whole block, as we have divided our nursery into blocks, and this block is mostly of plum, and this plum is feathered plum variety. This variety is black amber, as you can see by your own. Very healthy plum material. Just take a glance on this side. Look at this. Now this is also our plum nursery, but this is single year, and this is almost this has reached up to 2 feet. Now it will gain its growth day by day. You can see this block also. I will show you my pear block in next video. Thank you. Hello everybody. These are plum plants. These are feathered plants, 2-year plants. As you can see, the number of feathers on an average plant are 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Almost on an average plant we have 10, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12 feathers. These are all 2-year plum plants. As you can see, this is the fruit bearing on the second year, so you may see fruit setting on second year in these plants. But these are very healthy plants, as you can see. These are, as you can see, these are peach plants, 1-year peach plants from this region to there. Let me show you a few more. These are black amber plum plants, single year. This block is all of black amber plants, and these are cherry plants, few cherry plants here. These are high density varieties, feathered plants. As you can see, number of feathers in these plants are almost 6, 7, and you can see the fruit bearing sides. These will be next year fruits in these sides, and I can show you more feathered plum plants. These are the plum plants from the next side. This block is almost full of feather plant. This is high density pear plant. You can see very small plant, You just see it is, I think, 3-year-old plant, and see the fruit setting in it. Very bumper crop in it, as you can see in it. Very tiny branch, and you will see it full of pears. It's full with pear fruit. This is a pear plant, and in next video I will show you our pear block, the block in which we have grafted pear plants. And as you will see the feathered plum tree, and you will see the fruit in it. You can see here also, not in that only, you can see in this tree also. Just look at this. These are very early in fruit setting, and this is one more in which we have bumper crop. This is almost in the 4th year of its growth, and you will see full fruit. This is, by the way, apricot tree. Lot of friends gets confused with peach and apricot. Apricot is somewhat different from peach. As the video is getting bigger and bigger, let me proceed in next video. See.